Hello friends and welcome to A.K. Agarwal Aptitude Series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem on average speed. Here the given problem is, if Mr. A covers a distance from A to B with 40 km per hour, at what speed he must return from B to A so that his average speed is 80 km per hour. Means he is going A to B with 40 km per hour, and at what speed he must return from B to A so that his average speed is 80 km per hour. We know the formula for average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance upon total time. So here distance is not given, but we know A to B and B to A, it is the same distance. So let us assume whatever we want. Let us assume, just for the simplification of the problem, A to B distance is 40 km. Here you can assume this distance anything, it may be 10 km, 20, 40, 100, anything you can assume, but here we assumed it is 40 km A to B distance. So B to A distance will also be 40 km. So total distance will be 80 km, and time required to cover A to B is 40 km divided by 40 km per hour, because he is going with a speed of 40 km per hour. So time required to cover distance AB is equal to 1 hour. Now at what speed he must return from B to A? So this speed we have to determine, but we don't know how much time he takes from B to A. So let us assume he takes T hours when he travels from B to A. So total time will be how much from A to B and B to A? 1 hour plus T hours. This is the total time, 1 plus T, and total distance will be 40 plus 40, 80 km, and you put all these value in this equation. We know average speed is 80, it is given average speed is 80 km per hour, total distance is 40 plus 40 means 80 km per hour, and total time is 1 hour plus T hour, 1 plus T. Solve this equation, you will get T is equal to 0. It means for returning from B to A, even though distance is 40 km, he must take only 0 hours, then only his average speed can be 80 km per hour. But this is not possible. Obviously, in practically, he will take certain time to cover distance B to A. So this is totally a theoretical problem. He cannot cover B to A distance in 0 seconds. So this is impossible. Here point to remember is, average speed can never be double or more than any given speed. Here given speed is 40 km per hour, and average speed he wants 80 km. So just remember, average speed can never be double or more than the any given speed. Thank you very much friends. You can follow me on Facebook.